Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Weakness Natural Hair and Wig City, where I do hair tricks and tips. I also making your hair cheaper and easier for you. All right, today I'm going to be doing a review. Welcome to my review. I'm going to be doing a hair review, and this review is going to be on this hair. This was the extension lock DIY I made last 2 weeks, and I promised myself that I was going to do a review on it, so you guys know if it's worth your time or not, because it was my first time of doing it and wearing it. So I'm going to be doing this review to let you know if it's worth your time, if it's something you should try or something you shouldn't try. All right, I'm going to start with the installation method. I installed it using the Breedless crochet. You can try and watch that video because that is the lazy girl's method. Okay, here is the Breedless crochet, still holding up. This bond that I put my hair in has really held up for a while. This is the second week. And also, if you are on a short, if your hair is shorter, maybe you should make yours 2 instead of 1. But this has really held up. This is my hair without any product, no edge control, no oil, there's nothing on my hair. And you know I have so much undergrowth because I'm transitioning. So this is how it looks. And about the hair, it has really held up fine. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. The only thing I noticed with this hair was that it lost the coils. If you notice too, it lost the coils, but it definitely still look like dread. It lost the coils and it definitely still look like dread. This is the second week, and since the day I made this hair, I promise you guys that I have not oiled it for 1 day. I have been so busy, so busy, and my son has been pulling on this hair, pulling and pulling and pulling at it. And I promise you girls that this hair is definitely worth your time. You should try it because I am enjoying it. It's so light, so free, and it also looks so expensive when it's less than $1, 360 naira only. Don't tell anybody. Shh. All right guys, thank you so much. I do not want this video to be so long. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and comment on my video. Doing this will really help my channel grow. Thank you guys for coming back, and I love you guys.